up, YouTube? Listen, family, this morning we're going to do a little pre-market prep as well as 3 stocks to keep your eye on, okay? So listen, even though it's early, I got a jam-packed video for you. Please keep it locked. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, jumping right into the lesson this morning. We are on the 30-minute time frame. This success tip comes from the 30-minute time frame. Look at the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. Closed yesterday at 568.62. It is currently down, so it has gapped down to 567.11. That's at the time of this recording. Take your eyes to this. Okay, always want to start your day off right. You got to always identify support. That's number one thing you do. And then you always identify resistance. That's this black line up here. Okay, so you need to know the range in which you're planning. You have a $10 range. Okay, you got a $10 range from 565, that's support, that's there, to the upper end is 573. Okay, 573. That's the range that you play within. You got a $10 range, and so at the support level you buy calls, at the resistance level you buy puts. Keep this game simple, because if not, Wall Street and the Trick, Trap, and Frustrate crew will get you. Okay, now check this out. You seen yesterday they came down, they crashed. Number one, bear flag, crashed down, but look at when they got to 565. Look at when they got here. Look what happened. Boom. It took off and went there. But now look at this resistance level. This is 570. Everybody write down 570. If the SPY can't get past 570, it can't get to 573. So you got resistance at 570. You got resistance at 573. Okay. So you got to get through these 2 levels before you can even go back to the upside. But guess what? If we lose support, let me clean this up. If we lose support, okay, what happens, coach, if we can't get above 570? If we lose support, if this fails, if we come down here today, boom, and come down, the target is 561. Okay, and so you need to know, if we lose 565, we are coming down to 561. So long as we above 565, you got hope to at least 570. If you can't get above that, so that's the range you'll be in. If you can get above that, then that will get you back to this level here of 573. This is all you need to look for in your day's worth of work. Okay, sometimes the move might not let you get above 570, so you have to take that. You have to take what they give you. Okay, if they pressed it down past 565, everybody, what happens if we lose 565? Everybody let me know down in the comments below. Okay, if we lose 565, I need you to say we're falling to 561. That's just the next target. It can go lower than that, but you need to know where the first destination is going to be. Okay, if we can't get above 570, then we can't even test 573. This is why I say don't overstay your welcome. This is why I say see profit, take profit, because guys, you have in-game decisions to make. It don't matter what the levels are. If they're not letting it go a certain way, a certain height, you got to just say, oh man, this must be resistance. They're not letting the price go higher than this. Let me take my profits. Let me not try to hold for $200 more when I clearly see that I'm looking at my play and it's not moving. It's not going higher than this price. That's what coach is trying to get me to do. See profit, take profit. Oh, he told me on the downside, stocks go up and down. When it goes down, he said if it goes below 565, and we lose that level, if that level fails, then I need to start looking to the down. I need to pivot my thinking to the downside and go to 561. Okay, but listen to this: if 565 holds, okay, just like yesterday, it shot back up from 565 to 569. Okay, so if it holds, you just stay the course. Everything remains as is. You just respect the resistance level that's in front of you. 570, 573 if we can get through 570. Let me know if that makes sense, guys, okay? Again, this is a game that if you overcomplicate it, watch it to eat you up, okay? But if you learn to keep it simple, you will see there's a bunch of base hits that eventually lead to home runs, but you got to stay disciplined. Okay, so that's my morning pre-market lesson for you guys. It's on a 30-minute time frame. If you're going to make money today in SPY, you do it on the 30-minute time frame by watching if the levels hold or break. That's all you got. All your job is, are we staying above 565, yes or no? That's all you got to ask yourself. Now you got to make decisions like, are we trading sideways on 565? Are we bouncing and going higher? Is there any little scalp I can make? A $2 move from 565 to 567? You have to make those in-game decisions, but you keep the game simple based on what you see, okay? And then if we get to 570 and you see it can't go higher than that, and you see that resistance is truly holding, boom, you buy puts at resistance and you take it back down to 565. The game is simple, and if 565 fails, it's going a lot lower. Check this out, guys. We got 3 stocks I want on your radar. Okay, when you have countries throwing missiles at each other, you need ticker symbol LMT. This is Lockheed Martin. Okay, Lockheed Martin. You will notice these type of stocks perform well when the country is at war. You will notice these type of stocks perform well when the country is at war. So just in the general, put this in your portfolio at some point in time, like when this blow over. But remember this video, remember this lesson, okay? When this blow over, in preparation for the next war, in preparation for the next battle, in preparation for the next discord between countries, this will be one of those stocks that does well, okay? Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT. You guys need to look for when it's not in focus, okay? So that when it is in focus, like now, you get this 6%, $6 move, or this 1% move, or look at this, up 5, nearly 6% type of stuff, okay? These things can do wonders for your wealth and your growth of your portfolio, okay? Now check this out, another one. Look at this one, woke up from the dead. This was just sitting at 115. ExxonMobil, okay? Energy is something to pay attention to. Sometimes they're either going to go up or they're going to go down when we have this dysfunction happening and this discord happening across the globe, okay? This is one that needs to be on your radar as well. We like this at 90. We like to take it to 120. It has mounted our 120 level sitting at 122. Okay, when it come back down, it's gonna come back down to 115. If you want to learn to play ranges, guys, you can make your 100K by just playing a range. Coach told me this go to 120, 124. It comes down to 115 to 90. If you just learn just to pick one stock, play the range, you'll make up all your losses once you master the behavior, the patterns, and the fluctuation, and you can just keep the game simple. The market likes to live within a range, guys, throughout years. So for this year, for example, 90 to 120. When it get a little bit of momentum, it go a little higher than 120. In 2021, the level was 137 on this. I ain't seen it get to 137 yet, okay? So you need to know the stocks that you know, like, and love will be in a range. Focus on one, identify the range. It's going to do the same thing. Once this get done going up, it's going to come right back to 119, 117, 115. Okay? I'm just teaching you that and telling you that because your 100K is wrapped up in the knowledge. Your 100K is wrapped up in the information. Wiping away all your losses is wrapped up in the information, okay? So that's Exxon. It is up 4% on the week. Look at this. Just I told you it was just sitting. I said 115. It was just sitting at 112, just sitting here. But then boom, it crept up on you, and this is where I seen it right here, 115. It just seemed like it was stuck right there for forever. It felt like, and then all of a sudden, boom, rocket ship to 122. All right, so pay attention to these things, guys. These are life-changing moves. Everything don't have to always be in the shiny objects, okay? You can get money in Lockheed Martin. You can get money in Exxon. You can get money in Apple. You can get money in this next one right here too, NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. I told you guys to keep your eye on this one. Matter of fact, this is a DCA opportunity, dollar cost average opportunity. This is sitting at 115. I told you when this was sitting at 130, this was about to come to 117 last week. We're $2 below 117. It hit 117 yesterday. It hit 115 yesterday and blasted to 120. Okay, look at what it's doing now. It's showing you a sign. These little things are letting you know 115 is support. Look at how it's moving. It's testing 116.46, 116.95. Look at this stuff, guys. When you're doing your DD, they're trying to give you signs throughout the morning of what they're trying to do, where they want to go. Keep your eye on this though, because if we lose 115, it can be more pressure to the downside, okay? I got targets of 109, 107, 92, okay, in this play, all right? So listen, guys, these are just 3 trade ideas to keep on your radar in terms of plays to watch, plays to be buying, so that you know what you need to be in, because guess what? These are just buying opportunities until they tell us otherwise, okay? These are just buying opportunities until they tell us otherwise. But guys, the main focus is SPY, all right? 565, as I've been telling you from the jump, is the line in the sand. If we lose that, it's gonna come down, all right? And they got the potential to bring other plays down and the market down as well. So focus on that, but above it, you stay bullish, because it just means after we weather this storm that we got globally happening, we're gonna go back up. But you have to see that. Coach ain't saying it's gonna do nothing. I react. Okay, I'm just seeing what they do, and I'm trusting the levels I just laid out for you. Listen, guys, if that was helpful, understand we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.